Hey guys, as I dey gist you know wetin? The time where I dey Lagos, Wizkid be my guy. Wizkid is my guy.
Wizkid? Which Wizkid?
Wizkid where you know?
Wizkid. No more than no boy you were.
Wizkid is my guy. You don't know, even Davido myself, he be my guy too.
They give us this at school, but I no fit read am. Please help me read am. I no fit read am. Can I put it read am for me right now?
Oh boy, yeah. You were the escape for class.
I beg, more read down for us now.
So you know no book. You dey claim say you don't see Wizkid. You know fit read this thing.
No be like that now. More read down for us, please.
Chai. Oh boy. Brother.
You too, Mumu. You dey say to me, I read this thing for you. You no fit read?
I beg, more read down now.
I beg, collect am now.
Hey, Wizkid, more read down for us.
I no get time.
Oga Kopa.
Danke.
Wetin be the problem as I dey here? The great copper don't show. Una problem don't finish. Wetin?
Thank God you don't come. I beg, more help us read this thing now. The thing dey somehow like this, Oga.
Now for your nose, God carry all his time deposit. Come spend time for your nose. See as your nose come flat and big. As your face look like akara. Make I tell you something. As I dey copper, I carry 6 degrees come here. I have degree in physiotherapy. I have degree in psychological studies. I have degree in supernatural studies. I have degree in space moon. I have degree in mass and conjunction and interjection and Hausa and every. I carry all the degrees carry come here. You don't know me. I read MBBS yourself. This thing no make sense. I go read down for you.
I beg, more read down for us.
Now only this thing una want. No una help me copper. No una say copper. No una say copper. Sure. You don't do. Make I just read this thing.
More read down, Oga.
Una no chua.
Make I see this thing. Make I see him.
Yeah, na chua now.
Who be this guy now?
Na chua.
Una don't know this guy na Mumu. In Mumu no get part 2.
Me copper.
What's happening?
This one no be true now.
Now waiting.
This one na choir.
Why?
No book. You dey claim copper.
Who dash you this?
Oh yeah, now thank you very much for watching Mr. 007 Laugh Matter. I hope you enjoy it. Just a thought. If you go to school, make sure you read very well. No claim nonsense where you know if you do. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, subscribe to our channel and like our page so that we will get this small channel. We go do them again. Come back next Saturday.